The proportion of electronic and electromechanical components in engineering is constantly growing. This affects numerous sectors, from the production of construction machines, special vehicles, industrial automation, shipbuilding, medical equipment, electrical power generation and traffic technology, right up to the consumer goods industry. Integrative wire harness engineering with EPLAN Harness proD is an answer to the challenges posed by increasing complexity. Professional wire harness design and interdisciplinary data exchange can detect design faults before the start of production and reduce development times. Integration is required to bring together information from electrical and mechanical domains to enable efficient and effective wire harness design. In EPLAN Harness proD, users can read in native 3D models directly from MCAD systems and also components and electrical connection information from ECAD systems. The design of harnesses is rapidly, flexibly and easily achieved using a simple point-and-click method. Components and connection points can be easily placed in the virtual 3D model. Are the connections laid correctly, for example, the bending radius? The software validates, provides detailed error reports and actively informs you during the design process. Assemblies or variants which have been checked and are proven to be correct can be used again for subsequent projects. At the same time, the manufacturers benefit from high-quality data such as bills of material, nailboard drawings and information for plug and connection design. Fully integrated into the product development process, a wire harness assembly can also be created without real mechanical prototypes. This reduces costs, errors and time to market. Complete documentation for production and assembly increases productivity. EPLAN, efficient engineering.